Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the percentage. This is the battery percentage, and this is the battery icon. If you want to enable the power saving mode, you can tap on that icon, then tap on the arrow right here, check mark, and the battery saver mode will be enabled. You can tell by the message at the top. Also, the icon on the watch face will appear. It's barely visible, but it's here at the top. And if you open the quick panel, the icon, the battery icon will basically change the color. It will be highlighted by a different color than the white. Okay, and let's say you want to disable the mode. You need to open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and it will bring you back to the normal mode. You will see the message battery mode or battery saver disabled, and then the icon from the watch face will disappear, and this icon will go back to the gray and white colors. You can also go to settings. So if we open the menu, open the settings, and in settings we need to find the option called battery manager and tap on it, of course. And here you can change how the power saving mode behaves. You can basically enable and disable the features when the power saving mode is enabled. I think if you enable them here, or rather turn the switch on, the features will be disabled. And if you disable them right here, they will be enabled when the power saving mode is enabled. I think that's how it works, but you need to test it out yourself. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. You need to press it a couple of times though, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.